Standard 6 English lesson number 1 Adventure. My first roller coaster. From the name of the lesson only, we can say that this lesson is about roller coaster. And my first roller coaster. So someone's first try on the roller coaster. Now let's see the lesson. Warm up. Look at this poster about a popular amusement park and its many attractions. Talk about the rides that you might like and the ones that you would avoid trying. Attraction at Zorro Amusement Park. Here one poster is about the Zorro Amusement Park. What is the attraction at the Zorro Amusement Park? They describe in this short note. What's that coming down the track? It's a toy train. Free fall drop. Bungee jump hop. For once, road rag in bumper cars acceptable. Cups and saucers, thrill to happiness. Drive in for some aqua fun. On this boat, ride become Sinbad for a while. Roller coaster about, scream and loud. Do come and visit. They describe what is there. There are roller coasters, there are rides. You feel happiness there and you feel like Sinbad when you ride on the roller coaster. And scream out loud. You scream with a loud voice, with happiness. Do come and visit. Come and visit here. For more information, here mobile number is also given. Phone number is also given. You can contact there for more information about the park. This type of posters you have seen many times. Now let's see the lesson. Reading. The narrator here recounts a personal experience of riding a roller coaster. Here, narrator describes personal experience riding a roller coaster. She was scared of trying. She was afraid of trying first time. Find out what valuable lessons she learned that day. What lessons she learned that day when she tried first time the roller coaster. Let's see in the lesson. It's good to step out of your comfort zone. It is good to try something new. Step out from the comfort zone. Comfort zone means day-to-day life. What things comfortable for you. Whether it is trying something new or making friends. My experience was riding a ride that seemed big to 11 years old me. When she was 11 years old, she tried first time that roller coaster. California Screaming in Disneyland was my first upside down roller coaster. Disneyland. You all know about that Disneyland word. You are familiar to that word. In that Disneyland, California Screaming name ride of roller coasters she tried first time at the 11 years old age. Disneyland is always a fun place. They have small rides for kids and big rides for adults. Disneyland is a fun place and there are many rides. Small rides for kids and big rides for adults who are kids at heart, whose heart like kid, means who are kids at heart. They like to ride. For big person there are big rides. For adult there are big rides, and for kids there are small rides. There are many rides that look threateningly big through a kid's eyes, and California Screaming looked terrifying to me. There are many rides that look threateningly big through a kid's eyes. Means if any kids see these rides, afraid of these rides. And California Screaming looked terrifying to me. California Screaming is a fearful for her. She is afraid of this ride. As I passed the ride, she was passing through that ride from that side. She observed all the things. I could hear screams and the swooshing noise of coaster car cutting through the wind. She was hearing the voice of coaster car, voice of people, observing the people there who were on the rides. The passengers reached the top of the hill, stopped, then sped down, waiting to be caught by the tracks. I winced as the coaster raced down the hill. Yikes! Drops really scared me. When the coaster car is coming down, it's really fearful for her, scared for her. It's really scared to her. But the only thing worse was going upside down. Would you fall out? The structure of the ride just went up and up and up into the sky. The structure of the ride was going up and up into the sky, means at the height, too much high. Heights were not my thing. I started walking faster. To avoid all these things, she started walking faster to get away from the frightening thrill of California Screaming. She was afraid of this ride. That's why she started walking faster from there. She want to leave there. She want to leave from there. That frightening thrill of California Screaming. I could see the boardwalk in view. Boardwalk means the wooden stage near the ride where the people wait for the rides. That is called boardwalk. I could see the boardwalk in view. Almost there, maybe we would play some games. I just had to pass these rides, and I was there. She wanted to pass this ride fast only, and she was there. When I had almost passed the long line of people waiting, I noticed sunburn. Sunburn means sunlight comes on the face and our skin feel like burning. That is called sunburn. Waiting riders. They looked impatient as they leaned against anything they could find. They were looking impatient. I slowed to walk as I examined the people round me. She was examined the people, observing the people around her. This was just slow enough for a familiar sweaty hand and grabbed me by the shoulder. One hand come on her shoulder at that time, and that hand is familiar with sweat. sweaty hand grabbed me by shoulder, came on her shoulder. You can see all are enjoying their coaster car, whatever she is observing. You can see this picture carefully. Hey, my mom said, why don't we ride these? She points up to the roller coaster that I had been fearing. She pointed that roller coaster for which she had a fear in the mind. Her mom told her, hey, why don't we ride these? No thanks, I quickly replied. She replied, no thanks, I don't want to ride these. I tried hurry on, but no luck. She tried to escape from this, but luck is not with her. Oh, come on, you will love it, my mom enthused. She told, come on, you will love it, try one time. Enthused her. Mom always enthused us in our whole full life, enthusing about trying to some new dishes, trying to some new dresses, trying to some new efforts. She enthuses us always for our good things, for our better future. So here also mom enthused her that please try it. Oh, you will love it. Yeah, go with mom. I will take your hat, my dad offered. Daddy is always agree with our mom's opinion. So here dad also enthused her by telling that yeah, go with mom. I take your hat and my dad offered. I silently handed him my hat and peered up the ride. It couldn't be that bad, right? That looks calm, I thought. I can probably ride this. Now it is looking calm. Good. And I can probably ride this. She think positively. I can ride this ride. Okay, fine. Let's go, I said. The end of my words starting to pick up excitement. Now she is ready to go on that ride. She told, let's go. And now excitement started in her. Now starting to pick up excitement. Now she is excited to go on the rides. My mom and I headed toward the ride, leaving my dad and brother behind. The person who don't come on the ride always wait for us there, outside of the ride. So here brother and dad both were leaving my dad and brother behind. Behind means outside of the rides. I was actually half excited to go on this ride, despite my nervousness before. Though she was nervous, halfly she was excited to go on this ride, to went on this ride. The line moved quickly, and we were soon halfway through. The line moved quickly towards the right, and now they were halfway. I was wondering why the ride looked better when I looked up at it the second time rather than the first time. Now the ride is looking better than the first time to her. Then it hit me. I had forgotten about the loop and droop. When you start loving anything, you forgot about loop and droop. Now she don't have fear. She is excited. That's why she forgot about that loop and droop here. The sun had been beating down on my face and blinding me without my head. Now no head she had. That's why the sun is blinding her. The sun was blinding her on her face. I totally overlooked the worst parts. However, there was no turning back now. If they want to go back, then also there is no turning back now. They must have to ride on the rides. We were almost to the coaster car. They almost reached at the coaster car. I became more nervous as the time went by. Time is going, and now time was going there, and now she was more nervous as the time went by. Would this ruin big rides for me? I didn't know the answer, but it was too late to think. The ride would good for her or not, but it is too late to think about this. We were getting on. Now they were getting on the ride. I was too scared to sit in the front or the back. She was afraid of sitting on the first or back. So they settled in the second division. When we got on the ride, when they got on the ride, the seatbelt bar comes down, and my regret settled in. The seatbelt was there, so they didn't fall down. Now a regret settled in. I was stuck. The coaster car slowly inched out of the covered boarding area and into the launch. The sun blinded me as the ride inched outside. Sun came on her face and it blinded her. Then the car stopped and the heat soaked into the riders as we wait to blast off. There are too much heat, so as they feeling like blast off. As we waited to blast off, after a few seconds that seemed like a minutes, a voice talked about safety. They announced the safety rules. They announced some matters about the safety. And then came to countdown. Moment later, 5. I clenched my sweaty hand and had nervous smile on my face. She is nervous that what happened. She will like it or not. She has some fear. She was excited, but there is also fear present in her mind. So nervous smile came on her face. For I am glad my dad took my hat, or it would have fallen off. If the dad did not offer to take her hat, maybe it would fallen off. 3. Why did I go on this? To my mom titled her head towards me, smiling. Why did I go on this? To my mom titled her head towards me, smiling. Ready? She asked. Are you ready for riding this ride? One, I nodded slightly. Movement of our face. Nodded means movement of our face. slightly, and ride began. Now the ride began. The car shot forward at unimaginable speed, very fast speed. The car shot forward at unimaginable speed. I was screaming. She was screaming. However, I was screaming with thrill rather than the fright. She was screaming with happiness rather than the fear, rather than the fright. We boosted up a hill, not the biggest one, but still pretty tall. They were boosted up a hill, not so much high, but a pretty tall. Good, not so much high. I couldn't even tell if we are going up or down. Speed is so much, that's why she can't tell, she can't judge they were going up or down. So by the time we were over this hill, I was ready for the big one. The ride continued over a few more bumps and then approached the big hill. The coaster car slowed and snapped into place on the inclining tracks. We started going up. Click, click, click. Slowly but surely. I tilted my head, resting into the side. Now they are at the top of the hill. And she tilted her head, resting into the side, and look in the amazing view. Amazing view. I could see across the whole park. She could see across the whole park from that ride, because that ride was on the high top of the hill. We were so high. When you are at the high, you can observe very well at the downside. You can see downside very well. I could see across the whole park. We were so high, I didn't dare look down. If she looked down, she get fear. That's why she didn't dare to look down. Click, click, click. It would take a while to get to the top. Fun, my mom asked me while half screaming. Her mom is asking to her, are you feeling fun? Fun. You are enjoying fun? Oh, yeah, I shouted back equally loud. When all boys were coming, she must have to shout loudly. Otherwise, her mom could not listen her. That's why she replied with shouting, equally shouted back, equally loud. Click, click, cluck. We were at the top. I peeked over the front of the coaster as the people sitting up front started screeching. I could see big drop coming. I was excited. I soon joined the screeching riders as our division of the car fell over the hill. As the division of the car fallen down, she started screeching and joined with other passengers. Wind raced through my hair and looked my face so far. This was fun. I barely had time to recuperate from the drop before we started towards the loop. Here it comes. I hope I was ready. The car accelerated through the loop. My face was pulled for less than 2 seconds, and we were through. What? That was it. I was happily surprised and screamed at the top of my lungs throughout the rest of the ride. She was screaming with a loud voice, with happiness. The following thrills were just bumps and sharp turns, not as terrifying but still super fun. These all screaming and loudness because of super fun, not for terrifying. Now she is feeling good on the ride. She is enjoying the ride. After we got off California screaming, I could not stop talking. That was amazing. After coming from there, she could not stop her talking about that California screaming. We immediately got fast passes to the ride again later. My mom was right. That was so much fun. Our mom is always right for us. Our mother and father, our parents take always right decision for us. She also accepted that her mom was right. She feel good on the rides. I am so glad I stepped out from my comfort zone. She was happy that she stepped out from her comfort zone. I almost did not go on this amazing ride. My mom knew I would love it. And boy, was she right. She was glad. She might not effort for this ride. She might not go on this ride if her mother not forced her. Her mother knew that she would love it. And she was right. Later that same year in the summer, my cousin and I went with our grandparents down to the Disneyland. Later then, same year in the summer, that year only, in the summer vacation, she went with her cousin and with her grandparents to there, California Screaming Disneyland. She went to Disneyland. When we arrived there, I really wanted to go on California Screaming. When she visited there, she really wanted to go on the California Screaming because she loved it. However, my cousin had never been on anything like it. Her cousin never experienced like this ride, putting her in the position I was in before. She was putting her in the position where she was before. Means when she visited first time and she was in fear. It putting her in position. She not tried any time. Her cousin not tried any time. That's why she was in the same position where she was before. I convinced her to go. She convinced her cousin to go on that ride. And we even rode together in the front car. And they rode together in the front car. She and her cousin, narrator and her cousin. I am so happy I got to take my cousin on this ride. She was too much happy to go with her cousin on this ride. Riding California Screaming helped me build up to even bigger rides that are my favorites today. The experience of riding on the California Screaming helped her to go on the bigger ride also. Here we over first part of this lesson. Okay, bye.